If you are a parent of a GCSE Maths student, then we have done some research for you at Flash Learning. We have asked 2,000 parents some questions regarding the GCSE Maths exam. First part was to answer a grade 4 or equivalent to a pass GCSE Maths question in which 2/3 of parents actually got this question wrong or were unable to answer. We then got 65% of those being surveyed believed that supporting their child at home with GCSE homework actually resulted in homework for themselves, with many parents describing themselves as clueless and anxious when it comes to the knowledge around the core GCSE subjects. We also have data that suggests 57% of parents believe that they would actually fail their exams if they had to today, and over half of parents saying that they feel the pressure to learn as their child is doing exams because they are unlikely to get the support elsewhere. This, combined with the cost of living crisis and the fact that 43% of families are unable to afford a tutor, we have come up with the Flash Learning Parent Portal to help combat these problems that parents are currently facing with their children doing exams. On the Flash Learning Parent Portal, we tackle 3 main problems. 1 is to show parents exactly what children need to know. 2 is to show parents exactly where their child is underperforming or outperforming to make educated decisions on what they need to do next. And the 3rd is to help them track their progress. You can see on the Insights tab, you can see the average grade that your child is currently working at, revision statistics, as well as statistics across the modules, so you can really dive in to where your child needs that extra help. After looking at these statistics, you can flip between exam boards and subjects, and you can also set your child tasks. This is extremely helpful in keeping your child on track, especially if they need that extra support. On the task setting tab, for example, you can choose a course session, and let's say your child is doing higher maths. You can then go through all of the lessons that we have available. These are bite-sized 15 to 20-minute videos that your child can do whenever they want from their mobile device. They'll also get a worksheet booklet to use alongside each of these video lessons. You can set a deadline and a notification target. Once you're in this page, you can then ring a bell if you need to remind your child to do this, and you can also see exactly when these tasks have been completed. You can choose tasks from just studying flashcards, doing a practice exam paper, or trying a video lesson. You can also make purchases on behalf of your child, which will then appear on your child's device, and you can also switch between children, especially if you've got those doing GCSEs and A-levels.